Hello, it is Matt Munson here, and you are watching the Project Workbench. Today is day 19 of my time in Japan, and I kind of can't believe how much time has already passed by. It's actually day 20 if you count my travel day, which I kind of named day 0 because it doesn't count. I'm exhausted. It's been a really, really busy trip. Every day has had some kind of adventure in it, where I travel to some place to check something out and experience it, and then come back home. And within each of those days, I've also been editing videos, updating a journal, which I'm trying to be very thorough with, so that takes about an hour. I also have to feed myself, and I've also been trying to get in around 10 to 20,000 steps a day. For those of you who are a fellow stepper, you know just the sheer time commitment that takes. So frankly, the days are pretty darn full. I've even fallen a little bit behind on my video editing tasks, as there are a couple videos I haven't had a chance to edit together and upload. So today was supposed to be a rest day, and for the most part it is. I didn't go anywhere, I didn't go on any adventures, but what I did do is hike this loop that I've devised for myself. The reason I did that is so I had a course that I could walk without really having to put too much thought into it. One of the things I've noticed when I'm out and about is I get real antsy. Antsy? I get real antsy when I'm not super sure where I'm going. And so I'm constantly having to pull out my phone, check the map to reassure myself that I'm on the right way. So what I wanted to do was map out a course for myself that I could memorize pretty quickly for when I wanted to go on a route to get some steps. I'm on that right now. This route takes me about an hour to walk. It's about 6,000 steps, and it's great. I see a lot of really fun stuff, a lot of interesting stuff, and I pass by a bunch of restaurants that always get me salivating. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is take you along with me on that walk. Now, this isn't a POV shot. You're not gonna see the whole walk in one long shot, but I am going to show you some of the highlights. And there's one actually coming up right ahead, which I will end the video on. So let's take a look at it. Let's see what this little suburb of Tokyo looks like when I'm on my 6,000 step hike. I honestly thought this was a prank the first time I saw it. I thought it was like, you know, Omega Mart in Las Vegas. They're all real products, but they're all kind of wacky. Well, this, my friends, is a bug vending machine. Bugs for you, in fact. Get them while they're hot. I did a little research, like this is a real thing. And there's even bug juice, if you're so inclined. All very reasonably priced too. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, here's the ask. Click on that like button, and if you really liked it and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so YouTube will let you know when I post more nonsense such as this. Either way, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you for the next one.